Are you looking for the perfect summer salad to take to your potluck, picnic, or just to have a quick and easy meal on those hot summer nights? The salad that I'm going to be sharing with you today fits that bill perfectly. It's my Greek lemon orzo chicken salad, and it is chock full of flavor. It is light. It is amazing for the summer months. It utilizes orzo pasta, which if you've never worked with orzo pasta before, I highly suggest you give it a try. It is very versatile, easy to work with, and will take your pasta salad game to a whole nother level. So, without further ado, let's just get out in the kitchen and make this.
All right, into a medium-sized saucepan, we are going to put 4 cups of water. We're going to put that on medium-high heat, and then we're going to get 1 cup of orzo ready. As you can see, orzo is a very tiny pasta that almost looks like rice, and it cooks up beautifully and is very versatile. Once our water comes to a boil, we're going to put our 1 cup of orzo in, and we're going to give that a nice stir. Orzo is a pasta that you do want to stir frequently because it has a tendency to stick to the bottom. In about 9 to 11 minutes, our orzo will be ready, and we just want to drain that into a colander and run cold water over it and let it cool completely. And then we're going to set that aside and prep the rest of our ingredients. We're going to need 2 mini cucumbers that are sliced and quartered. We are going to need 1 cup of cherry tomatoes quartered, half of a red onion or a 1/4 cup of diced red onion, and then we are going to need half a cup of diced Kalamata olives. I like to use the Kalamata olives, but you can use black olives if you choose. And then we're going to also need 2 cups of chicken. I am using leftover rotisserie chicken, but any chicken that you have on hand will work. And once your ingredients are all prepped up, this is what you should have. And into a large serving bowl, we're going to put our orzo pasta. And then we're going to add in all of our prepped ingredients. Next, we're going to put in half a cup of feta cheese, half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons of fresh basil. I had found this at the grocery store, so I utilized that. It's already chopped up for me. And then you're going to need 2 cups or 2 big handfuls of a spinach and arugula salad green mix. Now we're going to give that a big stir and make sure everything gets nice and incorporated. You want all the ingredients to be nicely mixed together. Takes a little bit of time because there's a lot of ingredients there. And once it's all mixed together, this is what it should look like. And now we are going to get started on our dressing. Into a small bowl or cup, we are going to mince 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. We're going to take the zest of 2 lemons and add that in with our garlic. And then we're going to take the juice of those 2 lemons and add that in with the garlic and the zest. Next, we're going to add in 2 teaspoons of honey and a teaspoon each of salt and pepper. We're going to add in half a cup of olive oil, and then with a a merchant blender or a whisk. We're going to whisk this until it's emulsified. And now the fun part, we get to dress our salad. Taking half of the dressing, we're going to get this started. And you're just going to repeat that step with the rest of the dressing. You just want to make sure everything is nicely and evenly coated and is just glistening with the dressing. You can make extra dressing, like if you're going to use this for meal prep, you can make extra dressing to redress your salad and give it a little oomph the next day. But if you're serving this immediately, use all of the dressing. And there you have it. Isn't that look delicious? Let's give it a try.
Alright guys, it is taste test time. I can't wait to dig into this. This smells amazing. It screams summer with that lemony garlic dressing and just all the nice fresh vegetables and the fresh arugula and tying it all together with the Orzo pasta. This one's gonna be an amazing showstopper. Let's just give it a try. Wow. There's so much going on here and it is just a flavor extravaganza. It is so good and so flavorful. Oh, it is perfect for summer. It's nice and cooling. It's got everything that you would need to make a complete meal, or you can serve it as a side at any picnic or potluck. I really hope you give this recipe a try. If you do, please let me know down in the comments how it turned out for you. I'd love to hear your comments. And if you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. That would be amazing. And as always, I hope you all have a fabulous week, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.